agent, San Antonio home insider, Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent.
Guys, welcome to another episode of San Antonio Home Insider. I am your host, Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent. And guys, I'm in New Braunfels, Texas, and I've shown videos of New Braunfels homes, but I'm in Voss Farms, and I am in a Lennar home, that's included home, everything's included home, and it's a really nice home. Now, believe it or not, this home starts around $210,000. I was impressed with this price. This particular home is around the 228 to 29. Guys, low 200s. What a great deal. And you know that Lennar has everything included. Everything's included in the home. Washer, refrigerator, stainless steel appliances. So let's go check out this home. Everything's included. So you have this nice entry here that's covered, and your packages won't get wet. And when you come in here, look how beautiful this home looks. Now it's an open model. It's not furnished or anything like that, but when you walk in, you have this long hallway that takes you into the main area. So you have the kitchen, and this is quartz countertop, and you have your pantry right there. It's a walk-in pantry. You know, guys, I love the walk-in pantries, and everything's included in this home, including refrigerator. And it's a gas community, so you have a gas range. I like cooking with gas, so much better than using electric. Microwave. Guys, this vents out. It vents out to outside. And it's got these really cool cabinets. These are 42-inch cabinets, and they close by themselves. Upgrade. These are all upgrades, but in this particular community and in this Lennar home, it's included. Beautiful, nice floor. You got the main area here with lots of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows, guys. Look how airy and bright it is in here. And it looks like we're gonna have a thunderstorm, but it's kind of getting dark out there. But look how bright and light it is out here. Love the concept. Love the concept. And I love that island kitchen, the island countertop you have there, that bar. So let's check out the master bedroom. Got a good, decent sized master bedroom. Enough to fit a king size bed in here and then some. And then you've got your dual vanities. You got your walk-in shower. Guys, this walk-in shower is huge. Like at this. This is a great, look how big the shower is. It's actually really nice. I would put like an enclosure here because you have it, but it comes like this. This house comes with it. What you see is what you get in the Lennar home. And then you've got this huge walk-in closet. Look at this. This walk-in closet is nice. It's big. A lot of space. You have shelves there. And then again, you've got the upgraded cabinetry where it just shuts by itself, and you've got your commode where you just hide. Sometimes you want to hide in here, you can be in there. Very nice, very nice. So there's 2 more bedrooms over here. Actually, this house has 3 bedrooms. So this is another bedroom right here. Or you can use this as an office, or you can use it as a whatever you like, a media room, dining room, whatever you want to do this, you can do it. Some people will take these doors out and just leave it open, and it could be your dining room because it's right there, right across from your kitchen. And of course, the coloring here is blonde. It's white because this is a model home, but when it's your own color, when it's your own home, you can make it whatever color you want. So on this side, you've got, this is the garage over here. This is the garage. It's, they keep it as, it's a new model home, so. But you've got, well, another room here. This is very nice. You've got a room here, another bedroom with its bathroom, guys. You got, this room has its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. And it also has linen space. Got a nice walk-in closet in here too as well. I really like this home. And for the price point, you cannot go wrong. You've got 9-foot ceilings, you know, good sized bedroom. You got your washing room in here. This is where your washing room is. This is where you do all your laundry. You got to hang all your clothes if you need to. So we have another bedroom over here. We have 2 more bedrooms. So you got bedroom number 3 here. I mean, you can make this into an office space if you'd like. And you got a closet in here too. Right there. And of course, you've got the center bathroom, which serves this side, so your guests can use it as well. And then you've got another, this is bedroom number 3, and you've got a walk-in closet in here as well. Look at this. Guys, and it's got a light, which a lot of builders don't put lights in here. This one's got a light. That's actually pretty cool. Guys, what a great home this is. And you know what? I want to stand here because I want to congratulate you on your new Lennar home. Because you guys are going to be falling in love with this home when you see it. Now, of course, it's painted white and it's bland because it's a model home, but don't get fooled by it. This is a beautiful home, priced right. We're in New Braunfels, Texas, Voss Farms. Lennar has a lot of different ways to get you approved here. You can get this home with a 580 credit score, guys. 580 credit score. VA guys, hey, military personnel, thank you for your service. Always be safe. Police officers, teachers, you guys, there is a loan company, there is actually a program right now called the Heroes Loan, and it's for you guys. It's for the guys that serve our community. Don't forget, I'm not a mortgage person, but I have access to all that. Beautiful home, beautiful price. This home is in the 20s, the 200s rather. It's 200 and like 20,000 to start. But like I said, Lennar, they do a good job at giving you everything you need on the home. So guys, thanks so much for being on this tour. And oh, wait a minute, we forgot one thing. Let's follow me. So guys, you've got a covered patio out here, a covered patio. Now this particular home is the model home, so this isn't what you're gonna get, but you can build one like this out here. If you look at the pasture, look how beautiful this area is. It's nice and quiet, but you're so close to I-35, you're so close to San Antonio, Austin, New Braunfels is here. You've got the Slitterbaums out around here is nearby. Buc-ee's is around the corner from here too. So you've got a lot of locations, a lot of places to visit while you live out here. And look at the community. It's a beautiful community. It's peaceful out here. You're in the country, but you're minutes from the city. I love the fact that Lennar does a lot of things for you. They give you the house that you want, at the price that you want, and it's an everything included home. Guys, what else can I give you? I keep saying it all the time. You got a 580 credit score? Come on over. Lennar's gonna get you approved. Guys, you're renting, get out of the rental market and start getting into the owner's market. You need to own something because, hey, we're not getting any younger. And if you continue renting, you're gonna continue renting for the rest of your life. You hear that, it's gonna rain, but hey, I'm still out here and I'm still having fun. Guys, thanks so much for watching this tour. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more content, and comment what other homes you wanna see, okay? And hey, tomorrow's Mother's Day, so for you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, okay? May 10th, 2026. You military guys out there, thank you for your service. Police officers, teachers, don't forget, we have that hero program for you guys. So, guys, we'll see you at the next tour. Bye.